Mabuhay and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to visit, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
I think timely na rin because of this corona happenings around the globe. And I think this recipe will help us boost our immune system. Kasi this recipe is of a vegetable that I think many of you dislike. So, ito ay recipe that I learned from my mom and it's my favorite vegetable. Tandaan yan, para kapag ka nagpag-game ako, alam niyo ang sagot. That's my favorite vegetable. And it is called Ampalaya or Bittermelon. There's another name for that. It's gourd something. But I can't remember. I have to Google it. So yes, I will share a recipe of Ensaladang Ampalaya. I learned from my mom. Favorite ko siya because I always accompany that with anything fried. Actually, maganda siyang side din kahit hindi fried. I find it appetizing kapag kinakain ko kahit anong pagkain, kahit hindi fried. As long as andyan siya, it's my favorite and you just need to have 3 ingredients. Vinegar, onion, and that ampalaya vegetable. And also, syempre, salt and pepper, a little bit of sugar. But I'm gonna teach you how to make it. It's so easy. At sana, you spread the word. It will help you boost your immune system. Lalo na ngayon sa corona pandemic na to. And as you can hear from my voice, I'm not well today. Kaya meron akong lemon water. Benefits of lemon water. Marami. Why you have to drink this every day? At least 8 glasses of water. Pero actually, sobra ako sa 8 glasses. Pero yes, I love water. I drink a lot of water. Recently, napapasok ako dahil medyo uminit dito. Pero yeah, it's so sinful. Para sa akin, hindi ko na siya dapat inumin. Ayoko na mag-soft drinks. Anyway guys, lemon water is good for you. Avoid drinking ice water kasi sabi hindi raw maganda yun. Marami tayong mapag-uusapan why it's better to drink room temperature water or much better, hot water. Yan. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, ang mga Japanese, napaka-healthy nila dahil mahilig sila sa mainit na inumin. Okay, mahaba na introduction ko. So, gawin na natin ang ensaladang ampalaya na recipe ng aking mother food. Ito na ang ating ingredients for our ensaladang ampalaya. Ampalaya. Ensaladang ampalaya. Of course, ang main ingredient natin ay ang ampalaya. Tapos, meron tayong suka. Yan. Ito ang magsisilbing preservative niya. Tapos, meron tayong onions. Yan. Tapos, meron din tayong salt and pepper. And of course, sugar to taste. At para medyo mag-contrast din siya sa acidity ng ating suka. So, store nyo siya sa isang airtight container. Wala, kala nyo madaling mag-vlog. Tignan nyo. Yan, ganyang kakalat ang kusina ko. Ayan ang setup. At syempre, kapag nag-film ka, madalian ang lahat. Kaya, kala nyo behind the scenes, malinis? Haha, mamaya pa ayos yan pagkatapos kong magligpet. I like this one. Parang Pasko. Yummy. It's better. Eating celery just by itself, oh my gosh, I admit, hindi ko kaya. So, gawin nating salad ang dahon. I already pre-washed this yesterday. Sarap ha. Yum. And yes, by the way, I do all my editing on my phone. Kaya, madalas sumasakit ang mata ko. Celery na ngayon ang bagong flower arrangement ng ating center table. There you have it guys, ensaladang ampalaya. Kain na! Ito ang healthy fat. Yung taba ng isda. Diba? Kaya nga may tinatawag na fish oil eh. Healthy fat. Ay, I can eat this every day. Pag naipakita ang mukha ko at malakas ako kumain, malaki ako sumubo. Sino dyan ang magaling maghimay ng isda? Harap siya. Kahit na hindi nyo naigisa yung ampalaya, masarap. Dati, higisa ko pa siya ng bawang, sibuyas, kamatis with itlog, salt and pepper, a little bit of sugar, again, to taste. Pero ngayon, tingin ko ito na lang lagi gagawin ko para hindi na rin ako nagigisa. At saka, mas healthy rin naman siya kasi walang oil. Although, olive oil naman ginagamit ko, pero mas maganda kapag fresh, mas healthy. Hindi mo nade-destroy yung nutrients masyado. Kasi pag naluluto na, minsan, although hindi naman nag-overcooking, but yeah, mas okay din yung raw, diba? Ang sarap. Oh my gosh. Pero sinukat ko yung kanin ko. 1 cup lang talaga yan. Mukha lang marami, guys. Hindi ako nagpapaliwanag. Kasi sabi ko lang. Mukha lang siyang marami sa video. Pero 1 cup lang talaga yan. So, ayun yung juice to. Kaya, kayo ay kumain ng tama. Be healthy. Lalo na ngayon. Corona. Kaya, kain na maraming prutas, gulay, at uminom na maraming tubig, lemon water. Naka 5 refill na ako nito. Yan. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me. Kahit di nyo nakikita mukha ko. Happy eating! Totoo naman eh, mabubuhay ako sa gulay lang. Kaya, kapag naganap na ang second coming, hindi ako mahihirapan. Kasi, yung sabi sa Bible, sa second life daw, babalik tayo sa original diet. Kaya, hindi ako mamumulama.
Thank you for watching.
This video is brought to you by MOMiji's Amazon store. Kitchen essentials curated for you. MOMiji's channel members. And MOMiji's merchandise with thousands of items to choose from, designed by yours truly.
There's more for you, my lovely supporters. Use iSubbed at Teespring checkout to get $30 off your entire order. Links below.